Hey guys, can you trust I made these many coffee cookies only with 1 cup of wheat flour. I haven't used any sugar also. So this is very healthy and tasty. I am sure you are going to make this twice or thrice a week. So for this take 100 grams of butter and 3/4 cup of jaggery powder. Whisk it with the help of a whisker until it forms like a creamy texture. Here this is the perfect consistency. So beat it very well so that your cookies will be so soft and mouth melting. So now I am adding 1 cup of wheat flour. Here I am using this cup for the measurement. The same cup I have used for jaggery also. So here I have added 1 cup of wheat flour, a pinch of baking soda, and half tablespoon of baking powder. Here baking soda is optional. Instead of baking soda you can add a pinch of salt. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk powder so that it will enhance the taste of the cookies. Now mix everything. So now this is the instant coffee powder mixture. For this I have taken 2 packets of brew coffee, and in that add hot milk or hot water and form like a batter. Now add this coffee mixture into the wheat flour mixture. Seriously guys, these cookies are so tasty and crunchy. I am sure your entire family members are going to praise you like anything. Even your kids will finish these cookies within 1 day. So this is very healthy and tasty cookies. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment. So the dough should be of sticky. So as shown in the video, it should get stick to our hands. So this is the perfect consistency. Now what we have to do is we have to freeze this dough for 30 minutes. Now here you can see our dough is thickened. Now we are going to make cookie shape. So initially form a cylindrical shape. No cracks should be there. So this is the cylindrical shape. Now take toothpicks or backside of the knife and make a shape as shown in the video. This shape should be like coffee beans. You can make any shape you want. Here I made it because it looks so good. Now bake it at 170 degrees in the preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. Our super delicious cookies are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.